You want to take a timeout here, Elise, or let them play?
I think with Sue out there, it's the coach on the floor.
Sue for three of the tie-up! Time ball game!
Stewart has only 3 to shoot. Bird launches from way out there from her hometown of Syosset. She buries the 3.
Bird here gets a nice pass from Stewart. She's deep. I mean, that's a difficult shot, and you see why Allen was off her a little.
Flip it to Alexander from the free throw line. Rimming no good. Stars with a couple of good looks, but couldn't get it to go. Up the floor, basket hanging to Koshki. She lays it up and in.
Sue's going to have to make something happen one-on-one, however. 3-2, gets off a shot with 15. Beats, and it knocks it home. Sue Bird gives Seattle a 13-point lead at halftime and gets the crowd on their feet.
That's a tough cover for Karima Christmas Kelly. Sue Bird knocks down the 3. She's got a dozen in the ball game.
She's got it. Sue tries to pop up, and she gets it. Gotta love a game with no fouls, though. Birdie inside the Langhorn. Just see the little no look, just to add a little flavor to it right there from Sue.
You just gave me that dismissive look. Thanks, LaShawna.
The look says it all, Pam.
Sue Bird with another assist, now 4 away from 2,500 in her terrific career. A lot of playing time. Here's Sue. I mean, she just has such great net.
There's Sue around a screen from Brianna. Leaves it right in front of the rim to Crystal Langhorn. Look what I found. She puts it up and in. Push. Stewart's got Langhorn to her right. Birdie trailing. Thinks about a 3. Instead steps into a 15-footer. Knocks it down. And Sue Bird can tie the game with a free throw here.
Is it?
Deflection. Bird collects. 5 to shoot. Bird leans in. Sue Bird, a season best 21 now for the veterans.
4 for the Storm. Clark's going to attack. Going to go baseline as Gray limps back on defense. And there's Sue Bird making them pay. 5-point deficit. Back to Key Arena right after this.
I mean, you're looking at a player that can change the game.
Here's Sue with it with 4. Gets to Langhorn like a bullet train down the lane. She scores and is fouled. Try to make it an 8-point lead.
And on cue, Sue Bird getting a little high screen. And again.
Landis first possession. Dumping it to Williams, but she cut in before the ball got there and a turnover. And here's Lloyd, the recipient of a beautiful bounce pass from Sue Bird, and it's 4-0 Seattle.
For the Liberty. Off a curl, Bird. Open look off the screen. Buries it to get Seattle on the board.
Is the score. Seattle on top, and they have the rock. In the lane, it comes to Langhorn. Against Coffey, leans in, shoots and scores. Cannot put her on the line. Sure that the player that's about to shoot it doesn't have an easy basket. Once Langhorn got 2 feet from the goal, it was pretty much over.
Some decent position defense as well. She's not a liability down there.
No, she's an excellent defender. I think deceptively good.
Here's Sue on the runner. She couldn't hit the last leaner, but she got that one to go.
This one.
Sue's got it. 7:10 left in regulation. Driving baseline. Kick it back. Who left Sammy Whitcomb open?
Crowd is absolutely going nuts with the 3s by Sammy Whitcomb. Here's another one.
By Seattle. Stewart snatches it down. Here's Sue on the push. Oh, feeds Alicia. Beautifully done. And one. Alicia Clark will go to the free throw line.
The assist, just so pretty. Just waited till Montgomery got lost just a second on the pick and then puts it exactly where she needs it to just catch and score. Each side wide open for that land.
Bird now to Jewel Lloyd. Back to Sue. Big 3 on the way. There it is from Birdie. Of those turnovers, see if they can add to that total here with this possession. Sue tries to add 3 with this possession and does. Sue Bird gives Seattle a 5-point cushion just in the outset of the second quarter. To down.
If nobody's going to come to her after the high pick.
Thomas did not practice yesterday, a little banged up, just trying to keep her as fresh as possible. And Sue Bird has been outstanding from 3-point range.
Against Weiss, hands off Whitcomb. Whitcomb to step back against Weiss. Now drive right around her. Good feed in the corner. Sue with 2 on the shot clock. Big 3 on the way. Sue Bird.